If you're a Lyft rider and you want to know how to use Cashapp, then this is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So let's get straight into the video. The first thing you want to do is download your Cashapp. So simply go ahead and open your App Store or Play Store, depending on the device you're using, and simply go ahead and search for Cashapp on the search bar, and then download this application right over here. Once you go ahead and do so, you want to simply create your account by entering your email or your phone and your password that you want to create, and click on sign up. This is where you will need to enter your legal name, your legal last name, your date of birth, and you can also link your bank account. So you can link Chase Bank of America, you can link Wells Fargo, you can also link Citibank, USA Bank, Capital One, PNC, US Bank, and many, many more. Once you go ahead and do so, on the profile of your Cashapp, then you want to simply go ahead and look for your Cashtag, which is right below your name, which starts with a $sign. All you need to do is simply go ahead and add your Cashtag in your Lyft account, and then you will simply go ahead and receive payouts from Lyft. So it is as simple as that. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you